it's Jessica. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a bunch of different lunch recipe ideas that are healthy and just very easy to make from leftovers and things you already have in your fridge. I am by no means a chef. Honestly, I'm a college student. I don't even know anything about cooking, but these are things that I just kind of figured out how to make, so they're not like professional recipes, but they're very easy to throw together, and I think they taste really good, so I wanted to share them with you guys, especially because I know that being creative and trying to come up with different ideas for lunch can be hard, especially if you're in a rush. And the nice thing about all these is you can completely customize them with whatever you have in your refrigerator or whatever kinds of foods you like. They're just kind of like base points to start off, and then you can kind of add your own flair to it and do whatever you want. So let's just go ahead and get on into the recipes. The first dish I'm showing you how to make is this quinoa bowl. I love quinoa, and bowls are a great way to get rid of leftovers that you have sitting in your fridge. To start off, I'm scooping some quinoa into a bowl. I always keep cooked quinoa in the fridge so it's ready to go when I want to eat it. Then I'm cutting up part of a chicken breast that I had left over from the night before. You can add any meat or protein to a bowl, but chicken is my favorite. I'm just cutting it into small cubes and placing it on top of the quinoa. Next, I'm adding some corn cut off the cob. I'm from Illinois and I love corn, so I basically just add it to everything. It gives the bowl a nice sweet taste. Then I am adding some shelled edamame soybeans. They have lots of protein and always make me feel so much better after I eat them. Then I am just mixing all of the ingredients together in the bowl. To dress the bowl, I usually just drizzle a little olive oil on it and add some Italian herb seasoning to give it some flavor. Then just mix it all together. To finish it off, I'm adding some parsley for garnish and to add a little bit of herby flavor. And that's it! The great thing about this idea is you can customize it by adding anything that you like or already have made up in your fridge. You can either heat this up or eat it cold. It's great both ways. I eat it both ways. This is also something that is easy to meal prep for or make a big batch of and eat off it for the week. The next idea is a chicken teriyaki rice bowl. What I love about this dish is you can basically just throw in whatever vegetables you already have in your fridge. To start off, I'm cutting up a bunch of vegetables and combining them in a pan with a little bit of water to steam. First, I'm cutting up some broccoli into small pieces and then adding it to the pan. Then I'm cutting up a little bit of onion and adding it in. Next, I'm slicing up part of a carrot and just cutting it into little chunks and throwing in the pot. Then I'm adding some frozen edamame soybeans. Finally, I'm adding in some corn. Then I'm cutting up some leftover chicken breast. I like to tear it into small pieces for this dish. Then I'm adding that to the pan as well and drizzling some teriyaki sauce on top. Stir in the sauce and let it cook for a few minutes until the vegetables are steamed and the flavor has sunk in. Then I'm taking some brown rice that I already had cooked in my fridge, placing it into a bowl and adding a little bit of teriyaki sauce onto it, and then I'm just stirring that up and heating it in the microwave. Once it is heated up, I am adding the veggies and chicken from the pan to the bowl. Then just mix it together with the rice and you're done. This is a delicious meal that is very easy to throw together with whatever you already have in your fridge. The final lunch idea I'm showing you guys is a salad that I make almost every day for lunch. The beauty of this salad is that you basically just throw in whatever vegetables and leftovers you have in your fridge. I'm starting off by cutting up some romaine lettuce as a base. Then I'm adding some quinoa that I already had cooked on top of it. Next, I am peeling and cutting up a carrot to put in it. Then I am cutting up a cucumber. Mini cucumbers are my absolute favorite things. They're so good. So I'm just adding a whole one to the salad. Then I'm dicing up a beet that we had left over in the fridge. Beets are one of my favorite things to add to a salad. They add some color, make your salad look pretty, and they taste great. Next, I'm adding a bunch of corn because that's what you do in the Midwest. But also, it is really good and adds a sweet flavor to the salad. Then top off the salad with a protein of your choice. I'm cutting up some chicken that was left over from dinner the night before. Finally, finish off the salad with your favorite dressing. I'm using Olive Garden's Italian dressing. This salad is so yummy and a great healthy lunch idea that you can make by throwing in whatever you have in your fridge. And then you call it a meal. And it looks like you put a lot of effort into it, but did you really? No. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, you should give this a thumbs up for me. And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, you should definitely subscribe because I upload videos every single week. Also, let me know if you would like to see more like cooking type related videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in a new video next weekend. Bye!